Welcome back to Everyday Branding, guys. If you're a subscriber, thank you for your support. If you're not a subscriber yet, go ahead and click that subscribe button. Today we are going to be doing a review of the Pantene PRO-V Gold Series. So I'm going to start out with using the shampoo. I'm going to shampoo my hair nice and good. As you can see, it does provide a really good lather. This is the first shampoo, so as you can see, it's not as lathering as I would like it to be. I just took out some crochet braids, so I'm going to shampoo a second time just to get more of a lather. Going in for a second time, and as you can see, much more lather with this wash. So I've got that washed out, and now I'm going to go in and add the conditioner. This conditioner, I actually am using it for the first time, and I'm just putting it through my hair, getting it all the way to the ends, also the roots. And what I'm going to do is a quick deep condition. I have my heated towel that I put in the microwave, and also just a regular shower cap that I put on my head. I got this little cute towel from the Dollar Tree, and it's really cool. I wet it, put it in the microwave, and get it hot. So I left this on for about 15 minutes, and I just took my cap off, and as you can see, that condition did provide very good slippage for my hair. So I can definitely say that my fingers run through my hair and it feels awesome. So I've rinsed that conditioner out, and I did have minimal shedding, so that's a good thing. After I've dried my hair just a little bit, as you can see, it really did a great job at cleansing my hair, and also just doing some really great conditioning for my scalp. My hair feels super clean. So next I'm going to use the Pantene PRO-V leave-in detangling milk. This stuff really made my hair feel really soft. I really like the way it smelled too. Great smell. I did put a good amount of this in my hair. So far so good. I really like this product. So just getting it all the way through my hair, all over my ends, my roots, just everywhere. As you can see, my hair is much more curly in the back. The front of my hair does have some heat damage, so I'm just staying away from heat to protect my hair. Next, I'm going to put the oil on my hair. This is wild growth oil and black Jamaican castor oil. This is the only product that I'm using for this process that isn't a Pantene PRO-V. So I'm just adding this oil all over my hair, making sure to seal my ends really good, getting it all over my scalp, and just putting lots of oil on my hair because my hair always needs lots of oil. So this is kind of using the lock method. I use the leave-in, I use the oil, and now I'm going to go into using the butter-creme by Pantene PRO-V. This is going to be the cream that I put on my hair to do a twist style. So as you can see, my curls are definitely looking really nice. In the front, I do have some straight pieces, so so over this. So I'm ready for my hair to be curly in the front. And now I'm going to use the hydrating buttercream. So I'm just going to part my hair in some areas with my finger, not really doing any defined parts because I'm just doing a twist out. So I'm going to put this on my hair. As you can see, I put a good amount in that section. And just rub it on my hair and then just do a 2-strand twist. So I'm going to leave this in overnight and see what it looks like in the morning so that we can see how well the Pantene PRO-V Gold Series works on my hair type. Not doing any extra steps, just pretty much 2-strand twist. I did do about maybe 6 of these in my head total, and then just twist the bottom. As you can see, just a simple twist and twist at the bottom of the end of my hair. Going on to the next section, just repeating that, putting some more of that buttercream on there, and doing that 2-strand twist. Almost at that finish line, guys. Doing my last section back here, and as you can see, my curls are always popping in the back. I wish all my hair was as curly as the back of my hair. So getting this twist done, a little bit of shedding, but not much. Don't worry about that extra curl. It's going to be curly anyway. And these were my final results. Hope this helped. Like this video. Please comment below if you have any questions. Or if you've used this product and want to let me know what you thought about it, please also comment that below. I'd love to hear your thoughts.